Okay, here is part 2 of module 2, 2.2, dividing integers. Okay, so our I can divide integers. And our key term for today is quotient. So that is the result of a division problem. So remember that quotient's just like product, sum, difference, but it's very specifically for division. Okay. So what's really nice with dividing integers is that they have the same rule as multiplying integers. So just like yesterday, if the sign is the same, they're positive. If the signs are different, they are negative. So that's what's really nice. We don't actually have to learn a new rule today. They are the same as multiplying integers. We just have to remember to divide. Okay, so remember we just take 72 divided by 9. So that would get me 8. And then remember, I have one negative. So that's why it tells me to take the opposite. And that's why we get -8. Also, they're different signs. So that's why it was negative. So same, we do 45 divided by 5, get 9. One negative, take the opposite. So -9. But then we have another negative, take the opposite. So +9. And that's why when they're the same sign, it is positive, just like when we did multiplying. Okay, so take a second and divide these. Remember your rules. Remember this fraction bar just means division. And so you would take 63 and divide it. And that's what that means, okay? So it's just like 3 over 4 is 3 divided by 4, same thing. All right, so take a moment, pause, do these, and then start push play when you're done. Okay, so we would do 63 divided by 7. That gets me 9, but I have one negative, so they're different signs, so that's why it's -9. Okay, so 32 divided by -4, that gets me 8, but I've got this one negative, they're different signs, so it is -8. Okay, so remember our things to remember, maybe same rules as multiplying. Okay, you could still do, you know, a negative divided by, a negative is a positive, a negative divided by a positive will get you a negative, and a positive divided by a negative will get you a negative. Okay, what questions do we have? Make sure you add those to your form and make sure you put them because I'm looking at them and I want to know what questions I can answer, okay? So that's it, super short. Get your homework done. All right, bye guys.